All right. Glad to be here and happy to see all of you here. Your presence has shown me that people mean business when it comes to creating a prosperous reality. So, a heartfelt thank you to everybody here. We are bringing you Insight IQ, the platform for organizations to discover their community. Community in a box modularity enables you to connect your communities to community's value to your growth. Designing your contribution pipeline and managing many of the normal operations in organization project management has just got a lot easier. Project management is not just a standalone function of an organization. It integrates with the culture of a community, growth of exponential value, and impact-driven decision-making. Our platform intends to set these goals of integrating community and build the tools necessary to get there. This slide is showing our high-level milestones for the proposal. On the right, you will see the features. When these features interface each other, exponential value is discovered, with on-chain mechanisms for storing key project information and payout mechanics, organizational metadata that is valuable to the ecosystem, completed tasks and project milestones releasing funds for the disbursement of Cardano native assets. We find that organizations that effectively reward and incentivize contribution grow strong communities. This is our envisioned tech stack for Insight IQ. Each of these layers provide organizations what they need to tap into the abundant value of their community, stacking value at each stage. Use the modules to enable collaboration with your community. Purposefully select the components you need to guide your organization's path. And finally, define the collective way and build your culture. Insight IQ, forming regenerative, abundant ecosystems with the power of community as a service. To see what is happening, follow us on X and LinkedIn. Thank you everyone for your time. Nice, short, and sweet.